spotted someone he recognized, a friend.
My name's John Orr. I was a captain with the Glendale Fire Department, and I was a
Она взяла и сказала: мальчик, да тебе же, у тебя же тоненькие такие миллиметрики. Ботинки давай тебе там.
Сука!
Говори.
Недельку на море потусить там. Смотри. Пизда. Ёбаный в рот, блядь.
From the bike riding days.
Done Morelli's office. Whoa. Fuck. Sorry, everybody.
That's okay again. Are you okay, Kaylee? Baby, you okay?
– 911 connect initiated.
What the? Oh shit. Are they okay?
No kid hungry.
Oh my god. Are you okay?
The emergency call cannot be made.
Are you okay? Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Holy shit.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, that's fucked.
Chat about the announcement today at Carlton. Good afternoon. Oh, fuck! Jesus! Fuck, he's on the car! He's on the fucking car! Fuck!
Video locked.
Mountain, Director of the Victoria Energy Policy Centre at Victoria University, about this next moment. I think the environmental approval for the solar will have been a major component. There will need to be electrical aspects associated with getting...
Cons, the best is in 32. A lot of people might look at this and say, there's no LCD screen, therefore it's not the best. But in my opinion, the LCD screen has nothing to do.
Holy fuck. Whoa! Stop! Video locked.
Oh, 13, 10, 65.
That's exactly what I'm
Oh, shit!
crying. Oh shit. Should I put my hat? Oh babe, I'm gonna cry. Do you gonna get out and help him?
Visit resultsfirstaid.com.
You put the house on the... White glove. They take care of everything. Fuck you!
Holy fuck!
Unforgettable.
No matter which Nespresso is your favorite, one thing's for sure, the taste is simply unforgettable. Nespresso. What else?